Have you ever considered diversifying your portfolio with precious metals? If not, it's high time you did. Precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium are unique assets that hold intrinsic value. They have been coveted for their beauty and rarity since time immemorial. But what's the buzz about them in the investment world, you ask? Well, the interest in precious metals as an investment option is growing, and for good reason. These shiny assets serve as a powerful tool for portfolio diversification. They can act as a hedge against inflation, keeping your wealth safe when paper currency loses its value. Not to mention, they offer a safety net in times of economic uncertainty. So when the stock market is doing the jitterbug or global politics seems like a bad soap opera, precious metals can bring stability to your investment portfolio. Now that we've shed light on why precious metals are an enticing investment, let's move on to the key considerations when buying them. Before you jump right into buying precious metals, there are several factors you need to take into account. Firstly, you need to keep a close eye on market prices. Precious metals, like any other commodities, can fluctuate in value. Timing is key here. You wouldn't want to buy high and sell low, would you? Next, consider the purity of the metal. Gold, for instance, is often sold in 24, 22, 18, or even 14 carats. The higher the carat, the purer the gold. But remember, purer isn't always better. It all depends on your investment goals. Now, let's talk about tax implications. Depending on where you live, you could be liable for taxes when you buy or sell precious metals. Make sure to understand the tax laws in your jurisdiction so you won't be caught off guard. Storage is another important consideration. Will you store your precious metals at home or in a secure vault? Both options have their pros and cons. Home storage offers immediate access but poses security risks. Vault storage, on the other hand, is safe but may come with additional costs. Lastly, think about liquidity. How quickly can you convert your investment into cash? Some precious metals like gold and silver are more liquid than others. With these factors in mind, you're ready to start shopping. But where should you buy precious metals? Let's explore. Finding a reliable dealer is as crucial as deciding to invest in precious metals. As you venture into this realm of investment, it's important to align yourself with the right partners. And by partners, I mean dealers who can provide you with the precious metals you seek. Let's start with APMEX. Known as one of the world's leading online precious metals dealers, APMEX stands tall for its transparency, customer satisfaction, and a wide variety of products. They offer everything from gold and silver to platinum and palladium. Not only do they provide secure payment methods, but they are also certified by major market organizations, ensuring your investment is in safe hands. Next up, we have SD Bullion. This dealer has made a name for itself through its dedication to customer service and satisfaction. They offer a broad range of products at competitive prices, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your investment strategy best. SD Bullion also boasts secure payment options and transparent fee structures, so you know exactly what you're getting into. Last but certainly not least is SD Bullion. With a reputation for offering the lowest prices on precious metals, South Dakota Bullion is a favorite among many investors. They provide a transparent buying experience, with clear pricing and no hidden fees. Like our other top picks, South Dakota Bullion is certified and offers secure payment methods, giving you peace of mind with your investment. When evaluating a precious metals dealer, consider their certification. Are they recognized by reputable market organizations? Look at their payment methods. Are they secure? Do they have positive customer reviews? And most importantly, how transparent are they? Do they disclose all their fees upfront? Or are there hidden charges you should be wary of? Investing in precious metals can be a golden opportunity when done right. Remember, the right dealer can make all the difference. Your wealth is worth the research. So take the time, do your due diligence, and find the dealer that will serve your investment needs best. So, are you ready to dive into the shiny world of precious metals investing? To recap, remember, precious metals can diversify your investment portfolio, offering a safeguard against inflation and economic instability. Consider factors such as market price, purity, tax implications, storage, and liquidity when buying. Trustworthy dealers like APMEX, SD Bullion, and SD Bullion offer transparency, customer satisfaction, and a wide product variety. Remember, precious metals are not just a shiny object, they are a solid investment. Choose wisely, invest smartly, and may your portfolio shine brighter than ever.